Welcome back to the channel. I'm just going through some crypto charts. I'm having a look at Bitcoin. I've just seen something that's of some interest to me. Just going to show you what it is. Obviously it's not advice on how to trade this. I'm just running through some things to show you guys what I look for. This to me looks like it could be setting up for a diamond pattern. Just draw this in. And what we're looking for is a break of this line here. So if I run that up along the edge of there, if we get a close below this line here, I think we'll be looking for a potential drop back down to 34,196. Now, it's not trading advice. I'm not telling you to take this trade or anything like that. I'm merely showing you what I'm looking at in the markets. I've seen the diamond pattern a few times before. If it breaks to the upside, obviously it voids that pattern. But if we get a break below, I'm pretty certain we're going to come down to 34,196. So just be aware of that if you're doing anything with Bitcoin, and just give it a good look. Right, this is Ethereum against the pound. On the daily, we're still in the descending narrowing wedge that we looked at on Sunday. It tried to break out, came up, and it pulled back in underneath this top line. I would say, I think if we don't break this, obviously we're looking at coming a bit further down again. If it breaks above the line, then we could potentially be looking to the upside. It's good to be patient and keep an eye on this. I didn't rush into anything. I was just watching this candle. A lot of people may have jumped in because they thought it was going to go, but this is why it's always good just to sit and wait and see what this candle does. It's obviously come all the way back down and closed underneath, and we'll see what this next candle does. So nice and slowly, just waiting to see how it unravels. But at the moment, for now, I think we're just going to see it move inside this descending narrow wedge still for the time being. This is ADA against the pound on the daily as well. Also in a descending narrowing wedge, the same one that we were looking at on Sunday. Did the same thing, pushed up through, just remained patient and kept an eye on it, and we pulled all the way back in and closed inside. So I'll just be watching this just to see if we break to the upside. Unless we do, we've got the potential of coming back down into the 70s. So a good one just to keep an eye on. It's not advice, obviously, in which direction to trade, merely just showing you things that I'm looking at in the markets, and the behavior of the markets. I hope this has been some sort of use to you. Definitely keep an eye on the Bitcoin, because of obviously on that 4-hour chart, if that is a diamond that Bitcoin's forming and we break the lower line and we move down, it's got the potential of dragging down ADA and Ethereum with it. So a good one to keep an eye on. If you see it break that line, then obviously keep an eye on it. It'd be great to see what you guys think. Like and subscribe, and thanks for joining us.